Kiddos, this activity is called Boxes of Marbles, and each page is going to look something like this, where you're going to have different kids with different amounts of marbles in their box, and the clues are always going to be the same. Okay, it's going to say some of the marbles were moved. Now the girls have the same number of marbles. So what you need to figure out is, for number one, how many marbles does each girl have now? And tell how the marbles were moved. So our job is to move these marbles around to the different boxes so that once we're all done, every girl has the same number of marbles. Okay? Now, looking at this, I see Carla has 2. I see Liz has 1, 2, 3, 4. And Sue has a lot. She's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So right away, I know that Sue is going to have to give up some marbles, right? She's going to have to share her marbles with the other 2 girls to start balancing it out. My first thing that I might do is I might get Carla and Liz to match and then go from there. So I might kind of draw a little circle on here. Well, I've made nicer circles before, but you understand. So here is, okay. So I gave up 2 of Sue's marbles. You can see I kind of crossed those out. And I gave 2 to Carla. So now Liz has 4. Carla has 4. How many does Sue have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, what are we going to do? So Sue still has the most. So I'm going to give 1 more to Liz. I'm going to draw that one in there. And when you guys do this, you'll do a much better job of drawing your marbles. And I'm going to give 1 more to Carla, right? So now what do we have? We've got 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for Liz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for Carla. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for Sue. So she still has too many. So let's say we give away 2 more, right? Take 1 away from Sue. Add it to Liz. Take 1 away from Sue. Add it to Carla. Now what do we have? Carla has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Liz has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Sue has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There it is. All 3 girls. How many marbles does each girl have? Each girl has 6 marbles. And the last part asks how the marbles were moved. So for each girl, so I'm going to try to write Sue here with my pen. Sue lost marbles, right? How many did she lose? So I might do like a minus sign. So she lost 6 marbles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Liz, how many did she get? She gained 2, right? So I'm going to put an addition sign here and say that she gained 2. And then Carla, how many did we add for her? She added 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, I'm going to put an addition sign. So down at the bottom here, more like a T, you're going to tell me what happened to each girl's total of her marbles. So all 3 girls have 6 marbles. Sue lost 6, Liz gained 2, and Carla gained 4. And that's kind of how this is going to work. Each one might be a little bit different. There might be more girls or boys. There might be more marbles or fewer marbles, but that's what you want to do. Move them around so that they all have an equal amount, and then tell me how many each kid has and how they were moved. So take your time to do a good job.